Imagine waking up in a world where humanoid robots brew your morning coffee, manage your home security, assist in surgeries, and even teach your children. This isn't a distant sci-fi dream, it's our emerging reality. With rapid advancements from global tech leaders like Tesla, Unitree Robotics, Boston Dynamics, and Xiaomi, humanoid robots have become sophisticated tools capable of real-world applications. Tesla's Optimus, unveiled in 2023, aims to revolutionize household chores and industrial tasks. Meanwhile, Unitree G1, with its exceptional agility and lifelike human interactions, is setting new standards in robotics. Similarly, Xiaomi's Cyber One takes an emotionally intelligent approach, capable of recognizing facial expressions and engaging in human-like conversation. Boston Dynamics Atlas, on the other hand, remains unmatched in mobility and adaptability, performing acrobatic stunts that leave viewers in awe. These robots aren't just technological marvels. They're becoming integral to how we'll live and work in the near future. In smart homes, humanoid robots are stepping in as intelligent assistants. Imagine a robot that can sweep the floor, cook dinner, water your plants. Xiaomi's Cyber One, for instance, doesn't just stop at basic chores, it understands emotions. If it senses you're stressed or upset, it might offer calming words or suggest taking a break. Meanwhile, Tesla's Optimus is being developed to handle household tasks, folding your laundry or carrying groceries. These robots are not only saving time but also reshaping how we perceive convenience and luxury in our homes. In healthcare, humanoid robots are proving to be game changers. Today, robots are assisting doctors in complex surgeries where every millimeter counts. Their precision far surpasses that of the human hand, reducing the risk of human error. In addition to surgeries, humanoid robots are being tested in elderly care. With the global population aging rapidly, there's an increasing shortage of caregivers. Robots are now stepping in to help elderly individuals with mobility assistance, daily routines, and even providing emotional support. Hospitals are also using humanoid robots to deliver medicine, handle biohazard materials, and ensure hygiene protocols are met. These advancements not only enhance efficiency, but also reduce the burden on healthcare professionals, allowing them to focus on critical tasks. In the industrial and logistics sectors, humanoid robots are reshaping workflows. Factories are increasingly adopting these robots to handle repetitive and hazardous tasks. Tesla's Optimus and Unitree's humanoid robots are designed to operate in factory settings, assembling components, managing inventory, and handling hazardous materials with precision. Their ability to work tirelessly without fatigue makes them indispensable assets in industries where productivity and safety are paramount. But what truly sets these robots apart is their artificial intelligence (AI) capabilities. Modern humanoid robots are no longer just programmed machines. They are semi-autonomous systems capable of learning, adapting, and evolving. Using advanced AI algorithms, these robots can assess risks, prioritize tasks, and even predict outcomes based on historical data. For example, if a humanoid robot detects a potential hazard in a factory, it can autonomously decide to reroute its tasks or alert human supervisors. This adaptability is what makes them far more valuable than traditional industrial robots. Additionally, AI-driven humanoids are beginning to excel at human-like communication. They can interpret spoken commands, process emotions based on facial recognition, and respond appropriately. This level of intelligence allows them to integrate more naturally into human environments, reducing the friction of adoption. The potential of humanoid robots is undeniably exciting, but it also raises ethical and societal concerns. The most immediate concern is job displacement. As robots take over tasks traditionally performed by humans, millions of jobs could be at risk. However, experts argue that these robots won't replace humans entirely, but will instead create new job opportunities in fields like AI maintenance, robotics programming, and ethical AI oversight. Governments and companies must prepare for this shift by investing in retraining programs and creating policies that protect workers. Another pressing concern is accountability. Who is responsible if a humanoid robot makes a mistake? If an AI-powered surgical robot malfunctions during an operation, who bears the blame? The manufacturer, the programmer, or the hospital? These are questions that legislators and industry leaders are currently grappling with. Additionally, privacy remains a major concern. Robots equipped with cameras and sensors are constantly collecting data. How this data is stored, shared, and protected will be a key issue in the coming years. As of 2024, over 30 countries have begun drafting regulations specifically focused on humanoid robot integration into public and private spaces. These regulations aim to address privacy concerns, ethical usage, and accountability in case of accidents. Experts are calling for a balanced approach, one that allows innovation to flourish while ensuring ethical boundaries are respected. Despite these challenges, the future of humanoid robots looks incredibly promising. Experts predict that by 2030, humanoid robots will be as common in households as smartphones are today. They will assist us at home, provide healthcare services, work alongside us in factories, and even help during natural disasters. Companies are actively investing billions into humanoid robotics, with the aim of making them affordable and accessible to the general public. But beyond all the statistics and technological jargon, the real question is, how will humanoid robots change us as people? Will they free us from monotonous tasks, allowing us to focus on creativity, innovation, and meaningful work? Or will they push us into a world where human connections are replaced by robotic efficiency? The answer likely lies somewhere in between. What's clear is that humanoid robots are not here to replace humanity. They're here to redefine it. These machines represent not just an advancement in technology, but a shift in how we understand labor, relationships, and society as a whole. The journey ahead will be filled with challenges and breakthroughs, but one thing is certain: the era of humanoid robots has already begun, and there's no turning back. So, what are your thoughts on humanoid robots? Are they the ultimate assistance or a looming concern for humanity?